Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all doing fine. So, today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious coconut candy. So, if you want to see how I made this, keep watching. So what we need to make this just basically coconut and sugar. That's just what we need. So what I did is to crack the coconut, to wash it, and then start grating the coconut meat, as you can see me doing. At first, I was using the upper part of the grater, but later I decided to use the down part. I like the size and shape the down part of the grater give to me. So that's just what I was using. You can see the way it is. You can see it. So after grating, this is just what I have. This is what I have. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the frying pan on the fire and go ahead and caramelize the sugar. By caramelizing, I mean slowly cooking the sugar in a low heat. Please, I'll advise you to, if you have a non-stick frying pan or pot, make use of that. Make use of that. But if you do not have, you can also use your normal pot. But I'll advise use a non-stick frying pan. And make sure that you are doing this on a very low heat. If not, the caramelized sugar will but testing like something that is burnt, something like that. So that's that. So take your time, keep on stirring it bit by bit, stirring it gently. You can see the color is changing. Now our sugar is perfectly okay like this. So what I did next is just to go ahead and add the coconut, the grated coconut. And also for the measurements, you can actually use for 2 cups of grated coconut, you can use a quarter cup of sugar or three quarter, between a quarter to three-quarter cups of sugar. So that's that. So what I did next is just go ahead and keep stirring it till everything is mixed properly. Till everything is mixed properly, and that's just that. So after that, you allow it to cool down. Allow it to cool down so that it doesn't burn your hand. Allow it to cool down, then you go ahead and mold it when it's still a little bit hot but not enough to burn your hand. So that's just it. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Like, come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.